Hello, dear friends. DIY crafts are always a fun. So, creative DIY crafts are a fun and rewarding way to express your creativity and create unique and personalized items for your home or as gifts. With so many different types of crafts to choose from, there is something for everyone, regardless of skill level or experience. One popular type of DIY craft is upcycling. These involve taking old or unused items and transforming them into something new and useful. For example, you could turn an old t-shirt into a tote bag or repurpose old jars as vases or candle holder. Upcycling is a great way to reduce waste and create something new and unique from items that would otherwise be thrown away. Another popular DIY craft is hand lettering. This involves using your own handwriting to create art, signage, or even personalized gift. Hand lettering can be done with a variety of materials, including pen, marker, or even paint, and can be used to create a range of different styles and designs. Knitting and crocheting are also popular DIY crafts. These crafts involve using yarn and a hook or needles to create items such as blankets, scarves, hats, and even clothing. Knitting and crocheting can be challenging at first, but with practice, they can become a relaxing and enjoyable pastime. Finally, DIY crafts can also involve paper crafts such as scrapbooking, card making, and origami. These crafts involve using paper to create unique and personalized items such as photo album, greeting cards, and decorative paper flowers. Paper crafts are a great way to create handmade gifts and add a personal touch to your home decor. So, at last, in conclusion, I will say that creative DIY crafts are a fun and rewarding way to express your creativity and create unique and personalized items, whether it's upcycling, hand lettering, knitting and crocheting, or paper crafts. There is a DIY craft for everyone. So, next time you are looking for fun and creative projects, try a DIY crafts and see where your imagination takes you. Dear friends, if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.